$9,000. Meadow Branch Lou, as Gary mentioned, 11 wins in a row, won his elimination, 1-5 the public's choice. One Acme Trotter Kit, Gary, 17-1.
Well, Bruce, for you Roadrunner cartoon fans out there, one Acme Trotter Kit will not help Wile E. Coyote outdo the Roadrunner, but he may be able to beat this field tonight.
Malabar Man is number 6, 3-1, 11 for 12 this year. Only loss was up here at Mohawk. And number 8, Divinator, Ron Gerfine, the trainer.
That's right, the same connections as that great trotting filly Continental Victory, trainer Ron Gerfine and driver Mike LaChance. They've had a great year. This is their only hope in this event.
So this took place earlier this evening. The 2-year-old Colt Trot of the Cadillac Breeders' Crown. Track announcer Frank Salive had the call this way.
They're off and trotting, eased right out of there for the lead is one Acme Trotter Kit quickly to the lead. Buttafuoco comes on to drop into the 2-hole. Up in the outside third, that's Malabar Man getting in line. Off stride, the extreme outside went Divinator into the first turn. Relaxed away in fourth, the heavy favorite. That's Meadow Branch Lou, about 5 lengths off of the leader at this stage. BJ Super Sun just about to 2 lengths in behind him in fifth. Sand Chaser is 6th, Victory's Force is 7th, and back down trotting but trailing the field by about 15 lengths is Divinator. The opening quarter, one Acme Trotter Kit in 28-4. One Acme Trotter Kit is on top by 2. Buttafuoco content to follow along in second. Malabar Man races third, and Mal Burrows looking over his right shoulder to see where John Campbell is with Meadow Branch Lou. Meadow Branch Lou trying all he can to flush the cover of Malabar Man. He's going to get it second over as they move on up to the half. Now filling up the 5-hole, BJ Super Sun is adeptly driven through. And it's back to Sand Chaser, Victory's Force, and Divinator. One Acme Trotter Kit up to the half in 58-4. Shutting it down 30 seconds in the second panel. Nobody's been close to one Acme Trotter Kit as they come inside the final 3/8. Buttafuoco's followed along in second. Malabar Man first over since before the half and is third. Meadow Branch Lou is second over fourth at the outside, and BJ's Super Sun is fifth. Sand Chaser 6th at the outside. Then Victory's Force and Divinator is out of it. One Acme Trotter Kit is trying to get away on this field. The 3/4 time was 1:27-4, 29 seconds down the backstretch. One Acme Trotter Kit on the lead all the way. Now Malabar Man is closing in with every stride as they come to the top of the stretch. The 1996 Cadillac Breeders' Crown 2-year-old Colt Trot final. Malabar Man went first over before the half, and Mal Burrow brings him on by along the inside. One Acme Trotter Kit. Here comes Meadow Branch Lou. One final surge, not enough. Mal Burrows and Malabar Man have won the Cadillac Breeders' Crown over Meadow Branch Lou. One Acme Trotter Kit against Sand Chaser for third. 159-1. Malabar Man and Mal Burrows in the crown.
So Mal Burrows, the first amateur driver to win the crown, and Malabar Man returns 880, 320, and 250. Meadow Branch Lou, 220, 220. Price is okay. One Acme Trotter Kit, 380 to show. The